Yahaya Bello versus Efcc chairman. See why court summons Efcc chairman to face criminal trial on May 13. The Kogi State High Court in Lokoja has directed the chairperson of the Economic and Financial Crime Commission (EFCC), Ola Olukoyede, to appear before it on May 13 to justify why it should not be held in contempt for allegedly disregarding its order. The order was issued by Judge I.A. Jamiu in response to a contempt charge brought against Mr. Olukoyede by former Kogi State Governor Yahaya Bello. Mr. Bello's contempt charge is part of his efforts to halt his arraignment and trial on 80 billion naira money laundering charges brought against him after his tenure as governor ended in January. In his application, Mr. Bello accused Mr. Olukoyede of violating the court order that barred the EFCC from arresting him. The EFCC recently charged Mr. Bello with money laundering involving over 80 billion naira, but his absence from court has prevented his arraignment. On February 17, he evaded arrest when EFCC operatives attempted to execute an arrest warrant against him in Abuja. The court's ruling on Friday, reported by the News Agency of Nigeria, stated that Mr. Olukoyede faces a contempt charge for allegedly acting against the court's restraining order on February 9. This order was issued following a motion ex parte filed by Mr. Bello's lawyer, MS Yusuf. The court ordered Mr. Olukoyede to appear before it on May 13 to respond to the contempt charge. Mr. Bello has failed to appear in court for his arraignment on the money laundering charges on two occasions, April 18 and 23. The court granted an order of substituted service on April 23, allowing the EFCC to serve Mr. Bello through his lawyer. The EFCC has denied violating any court order, asserting that its actions were based on the arrest warrant issued by the Federal High Court in Abuja on April 17. The agency argues that the Kogi State High Court order does not prevent Mr. Bello from being prosecuted for alleged crimes. This is not the first time Mr. Bello's camp has filed a contempt case to challenge the EFCC's criminal case. In February 2023, a judge of the Kogi State High Court jailed Mr. Olukoyede's predecessor, Abdulrasheed Bawa, for 14 days at Mr. Bello's nephew's instance, Ali Bello. Mr. Bawa was accused of disobeying a court order by arraigning Mr. Ali Bello on December 15, 2022, against an earlier court order made on December 12, 2022. Mr. Bawa and the EFCC appealed against the ruling, and Mr. Bawa did not serve the imposed jail term. And this is the news for today. Don't forget to like this video, comment under this video. Let us know what you think about this situation going on with Yahaya Bello and the EFCC. Also, subscribe to this channel to get more news like this.